Hey friend, it is Kim Ward here, and today we're diving into one of my favorite topics, how Pinterest can help you create real, sustainable, passive income even when life feels like absolute chaos. If you've ever found yourself trying to juggle business, kids, laundry, dinner, and still show up online, this episode is for you. Because let's be honest, the holidays are magical, but they can also feel like a circus. So let's talk about how Pinterest can quietly build income for you in the background while you're sipping cocoa, wrapping gifts, or honestly, just trying to keep your sanity. Let's start here. Most social media platforms are exhausting. You pour your heart into a post and 24 hours later, boom, it is gone. You feel like you have to show up every day, say something new, be entertaining, be educational, oh yeah, and remember to breathe. And that's where Pinterest completely changes the game. See, Pinterest is not a social media platform. It's a search engine. People are not scrolling for entertainment. They're searching for ideas, inspiration, and solutions, which means your content, your ideas, and your offers can live there for months or even years. That's what I call long-term leverage. So how does this work? Well, when you post a pin on Pinterest, whether it's a blog article, an affiliate product, a lead magnet, or a digital offer, Pinterest indexes that content in the search result. Once it's there, it shows up every time someone searches for a related topic. You don't have to keep reposting it. You don't have to dance on camera. You don't even have to talk to the algorithm gods every day. You just need to understand how keywords work strategically. And once you do, your content will continue to work for you 24/7. That's true passive income potential. Pinterest becomes like your little digital employee promoting your business while you're out living your life. And let's talk real for a moment. If you're like me, you've got kids at home, and for 2 weeks over Christmas break, you're trying to keep up with your business, and somehow everyone's hungry all the time. My husband, my 52-year-old, is the worst. Pinterest gives you the ability to step back from that constant doing and start building systems that work while you rest. It's family-friendly business strategy at its best because your business should support your life, not the other way around. And that's why I always say calm creates income. When you're not operating in chaos, your creativity flows, your ideas get clearer, and you finally start building income that lasts. And let me give you a little insider tip. Right now is the best time to start using Pinterest. During the holiday season, Pinterest traffic explodes. People plan earlier. They spend more. They stay longer on the platform. They're searching for gift ideas, money-making ideas, ways to save time, all the things that you can help them with. And this means that you have a golden window of opportunity to get your content in front of new eyes without having to spend a dime on ads. So if you've been waiting for the right time to start your passive income journey, friend, this is it. Now, I know how hard it is to build a business when your home feels like a holiday tornado. And that's exactly why I created the Merry, Managed, and Making Money digital bundle. It is a collection of holiday printables that help keep your kids busy and your home calm while you finally carve out time to focus on your business goals. You'll get things like a kid's Christmas wish list for Santa, elf calendars and planners to give you fun ideas with their elf, Christmas movie bingo, a 106-page Christmas planner for meals, gifts, everything in between. There's so much more in this bundle. It's fun, it's festive, and best of all, it's going to give you breathing room to start building passive income with Pinterest this season because you deserve calm, creativity, and cash, not chaos. So if you're ready to take a deep breath this holiday season, Grab your copy of the Merry, Managed, and Making Money bundle for just $27. It's your permission slip to simplify the holidays and make space for the business you've been dreaming of. It'll be in the show notes. And remember, your business should fit your life, not the other way around, and not fight it. Here's to being merry, managed, and making money one peaceful pin at a time.